Looking for fun gardening activities to share with your kids? Gardening not only offers a fantastic way to connect with nature, but also cultivates patience and provides a delightful opportunity for quality outdoor time. Well, you're in luck. We've got some fantastic ideas to get your little ones excited about gardening. First up, we have the classic activity of planting seeds. This humble beginning can be a thrill for kids, seeing their chosen seeds tucked into the earth, then watching them sprout and flourish. Remember, the magic of gardening truly starts from a small seed. Next, why not let your children's imagination run wild by creating a fairy garden? Choose a special spot, pick out tiny, enchanting plants, and let them add whimsical decorations. Creating a fairy garden will not only engage your kids creatively, but also make your garden a magical place. Lastly, let's get hands-on and build a bird feeder. This fun project involves simple steps: gather materials, assemble, and hang it up. It's a great way for kids to learn about different bird species and the importance of caring for wildlife. With a bird feeder, your kids can enjoy the sight of feathered friends visiting your garden. So there you have it, 3 fun and educational gardening activities to do with your kids: planting seeds, creating a fairy garden, and building a bird feeder, each with its unique benefits. Make gardening a regular family activity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening ideas and tips. Happy gardening!